Directing means giving instructions, guiding, counseling, motivating and leading the staff in an organization in doing work to achieve organizational goals. Directing is a key managerial function to be performed by the manager along with planning, organizing, staffing and controlling. It takes place accordingly wherever superior-subordinate relations exist.
Mr. Raj is the owner of Unibe Enterprises, carrying on the business of manufacturing electrical appliances. There is a lot of discontentment in the organization and targets are not being met. He asked his son Krishna, who has recently completed his MBA, to find out the reason. Krishna found that all the decision making of the enterprises were in the hand of his father. Moreover, his father did not have confidence in the competency of the employees. Thus, the employees were not happy. As a result, the subordinates were not acting in a desired manner to achieve the organizational goals. The CEO of the company, called the team leader, discussed the matter with him and decided to change the policies of the company. It was decided that in future all the members including the team leader would work together and usefully utilize the time in decision about the targets to be met and improvements possible in the enterprise. This made a positive impact and every member of the team started acting in a manner as desired by the team leader. Krishna wants to offer such rewards and benefits that will help to fulfill the various needs of the employees and will inspire them to give their best to the organization. The hardworking and efficient employees will be recognized through the monthly magazine of the company. The pay and basic salary of the employees should satisfy their needs and they would be provided job security. These measures were taken and the enterprise started functioning smoothly with multiplied output.
The two communication barriers because of which Unibe Enterprises was not able to achieve its targets are: first is organizational barriers. If the organizational policy is not supportive to free flow of communication, it may hamper effectiveness of communications. Like in the above case, Krishna found that all the decision-making power of the organization was highly centralized as it was in hands of the father only.
The CEO has used motivation, which is an element of directing function of management, in order to deal with the situation effectively. The features of motivations are: motivation is an internal feeling, an urge, drives or needs of human beings which are internal but likely to influence human behavior. Motivation produces goal-directed behavior. The motivated employees is likely to act in a desired manner and contribute effectively. Motivation can be either positive or negative. Positive motivation can be provided through rewards like increase in pay, promotion, recognition, etc. Negative motivation involves use of negative means like punishment, stopping, increments, etc., which also may prompt a person to act in the desired way.
Motivation is highly complex. Many researchers have studied about motivation from several dimensions and developed some theories. These theories help to develop understanding about motivation phenomena. Among these, Maslow's need hierarchy theory is considered fundamental to understanding of motivation. Abraham Maslow, a well-known psychologist, in a classic paper published in 1943, outlined the elements of an overall theory of motivation. His theory was based on human needs. He felt that within every human being there exists a hierarchy of 5 needs. These are: first, basic psychological needs. These are the most basic in the hierarchy and corresponds to the primary needs. Hunger, thirst, shelter, sleep are some examples of these needs. In the organizational context, basic salary helps to satisfy these needs. Then second, safety or security needs. These needs provide security and protection from physical and emotional harm. Examples: job security, stability of income, pension plans, etc. Third, affiliation and or belonging needs. These needs refers to affection, sense of belongingness, acceptance and friendship. Fourth, esteem needs. These includes factors such as self-esteem, autonomy, status, recognition and attention. Fifth, self-actualization needs. It is the highest level of need in the hierarchy. It refers to drive to become what one is capable of becoming. These needs include growth, self-fulfillment and achievement of goals.